we got our patient here. I'm not showing your eyes, just your mouth, so protect your privacy, okay? We're gonna call you Great Dane. Okay. Now smile for me there. What's going on with your lip, brother?
I don't know, I just had to bump on it.
Bump on it?
Yeah, it came, well, it started off, it came like, it was there,
yeah,
and then it came back in 2 weeks.
Really? So did you kind of bite it or something and it just went away for a little while, then it came back, huh? All right, okay, so I want you to grab your bottom lip and kind of roll it forward so everybody can see. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a mucocele. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna numb that up for you and we're gonna pop it. We're gonna cut it open and get the goop out, and which is basically just collected saliva, and you'll be fine. So what I'm gonna do, okay, you can, yeah, there you go. What I'm gonna do, Mr. Great Dane, ask you if it's okay if we video your little procedure. Is that okay? Okay, cool. All right, so what we're gonna do, don't want to show Dad. We're just gonna get some of this viscous lidocaine here, and we're gonna put it on a gauze, and we're going to just let you hold it against your lip until it numbs everything up. Okay, so now you just have some of that viscous lidocaine on a gauze, and you're holding it against your lip so your lip can get numb, right? Okay, so see you in about, I don't know, we'll let it work about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to go.
Hello, hello.
You're gonna be Gene on the camera now. Great Dane, how you feeling?
Pretty good.
Is your lip numb?
Yes, sir.
Are your gums numb?
No.
Because I can't say anything about gums.
All right. Let's see what we've got here. That is a nice mucocele. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm not sure. I'm feeling ready, but close your eyes. Stay real still. Think of your girl. Poor Great Dane, his dad's giving him so much grief. All right, well, you got a little cut there, but we don't need to put a stitch in that because it's so small. That'll heal up just fine, my friend. You were very brave. Did that hurt much?
No.
Awesome. All right, man. Thanks for letting us video your procedure.
Okay.
Love it.
Action.
Hey guys, I'm going nowhere. Medicine video's coming right up.
Okay. No, we're going. Okay, go on. Tell us about Meta 7, for real.
I love it. It really does. It helps me focus. It gets me going, wakes me up a little bit in the morning. It doesn't give me any jittery kind of feeling. Yeah, it's just kind of makes me feel balanced, not sleepy, but not too awake, not like a caffeine rush. I just feel good.
Makes you feel natural.
Yes.
Makes you feel alert and
a
awake.
natural, happy, alert, yeah.
Yep.
It keeps me focused on anything that I'm working on, tasks at the office, things at home that I'm trying to get done. I feel like I'm able to get more into my day.
Good, that's awesome, thanks.
You're welcome.
If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.